Hello teacher, our group here will present about the innovative idea on the aviation industry. Please do note that we have a lot of discussion in the past week about the problem that we and many passengers facing in aviation industry, and we came up with this topic. However, I'm gonna give you some spoiler. It's related with the creation of the application. So let's see our current problem from my friend.
Nowadays, technologies has advanced a lot in a short period of time because of the competition in business. So, it must be up to date all the time. And so is for the aviation industry. The aviation industry is one of the fastest growing industry in globalizations to provide more convenience and safety in procedures of flying service, both for employees and passengers. However, we still see the flaws in the airport sections, as in perspective of a passenger who has used the service before. The current problems that we have faced are: number 1. Hard to read the display board. As you know, the display board is intended to display important information such as flight and boarding area. Although the number of information in the airport in one day is not a few, but a lot. The bigger the airport is, the more info. So there will be a lot of info and the text will be very small to contain all the information on the board. Number 2. Not knowing the changing in boarding area or baggage claim area. Before we head to the boarding area or baggage claim area, we usually look up where we have to go at the display board that shows these informations. However, these display boards are not located in every area of the airport, so there will be a chance that a passenger may miss the flight or the information that the baggage claim area has changed.
Number 3. Being not able to understand the language. Having no clue about the language that we don't understand in a foreign country is the worst thing that every foreigner does not want it to happen. And in the airport, there may be some areas that are available only in local language or language that foreigners cannot understand, which can lead to missing the flight or the information that they have to know. And number 4. Getting lost in the airport. Getting lost in the airport is a thing that most people tend to have this experience due to its complicated layout. Moreover, there are some airports that are constructing to expand more areas to support more passengers, in which may lead to changing of the layout, route, or service point. Therefore, it will also confuse people about the directions, since some direction sign or map may not be changed accordingly to new construction. Even though there is an application called Sawadi, an airport application created by AOT itself, which to help the passenger to use the airport service easily and comfortably. Our group still see it through.
Okay, solution from the problem that my friends has mentioned before. We have come up with a solution to the problems by creating an application called GoGo Airport. It is an airport application that will assist the user about all the information in the airport, such as the flight, service, and facility of the airport. This application will purposely be used in conjunction with international airport. Also, there will be 7 languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, Spanish, and Thai. The target group of this app are passengers who come to use the airport service, and staff or employees who have to work within the airport that may not use to its layouts. This is what GoGo Airport look like, and this is its homepage. There is this 3 icon on the top left, with each to setting or getting more information about the application itself. Next, beside the three right icon is a search bar. To search something within the application, for example, the user want to find the information about where to shopping in the airport. The user can just search it here. Then it will pop up where to shopping for them.
Solution homepage on the middle. That is this last screen, which is to show the user the map of the airport. Also, the user location in the airport, similar to Google Map. Below the map, there are these four icons. The first one is about the flight, which will show all the information of the flight. The second one is about the restroom, in which show the user the location of the restroom in the airport. The third one is about food and beverage, which will show the user or restaurant in the airport and their location. And the last one is to view all the information. At the bottom left, it is the user profile, which contains user information and can be edited. The middle one is an AR camera, and the last one is a SOS button. When there's something happens, such as an accident, and there's no one there, the user can touch this button to call for help. Then there will be staff coming over to the location that the SOS button has clicked.
If you click into the AR camera, it will be like opening the camera in rear facing or on the back camera. Then it will show you the facilities and services in the airport that you are facing to. If you click into the flight icon, it will show you a list of flights. As you can see in the flight board in the airport, there will be both departure and arrival. But special for this app, you can search by time and date and see how many flights or what flight that you want to. And if you click into the flight icon, there will be more information. As you can see it, where to check in for the passenger that will be boarding for the selected flight, or where is the gate, or where to pick up your luggage, and more information about the selected flight. For example, if you click into the gate section, it will show you a map and direction to get to the location of the gate. In the View All icon, there will be more icons for information. For example, information, health phone, security, charging station, currency exchange, medical, lost and found, shopping, transportation, or relaxing room, and also post office and etc.
Okay, the next topic. The next topic is value proposition. Value proposition using or cooperating with this application will give you many benefits, such as the first one, spending less time searching information and to the destination. With the application that provides all the information needed for the user, they don't need to look up to the board or map and searching information in small text or asking someone. They can just look into their phone and find the information just in a few clicks. Then it will guide them the information such as the shorter route to the destination. And the second one, being able to use the service of the airport totally, easily, and precisely. With this application that provides all the information of the airport, the user can find and check all the service and facilities that are available in the airport, including special service such as airline lounge, convenience store, and airline service point.
Next topic is value proposition. 3. Advertising in airport itself. Cooperating with Google Airport could help advertising in airport itself, since this application will be not only in the country, but international. 4. Less crowd at the board outside area. Since the user can just look up to their phone, they don't need to look at the board outside area anymore. This will help reducing congestion in the area. 5. Raising a standard for airport modernization. This will create more standard for the airport because this application is meant to be used internationally, which means work with airports around the world. If the airport cooperates with this application, it will be like operate with those airports
So
around
that's
the
it
world.
for our presentation. Thank you for listening. Please do also note that to make this idea happen, it needs to rely on the passengers' technology advancement to keep it up to date, including staff and airport officials to promote the technology and use the best of it. Thank you for listening.